Guys, look at how cute our feet are.
They're so fun.
Look.
I always gotta come down with you. You know, it's fine. The tall girl, short girl problems.
But you know, we make it work. But beautiful pair of shoes, ships for free.
So
$99.98. Miz Mooz under $100. I'm always like, ring the bell, pick it up. 800-500-7590 is the number to call.
Fun pop, but it's not hard to style this at all. Even if I had on like an olive green pant, a light denim, these are just so beautiful, so easy to wear, and everyone needs a red shoe.
Truly. And I like all the coverage that you get on the upper. Like, I'm not someone that loves my feet. I don't mind wearing a good sandal.
Yeah.
But I'm also like, when I can cover the toesies, I like to do it. So if you're someone who has like...
Now in 2026, we're bringing you so many different styles like this sandal. So as you can see, you're kind of rocking forward. You have beautiful coverage. This isn't like a flip-flop that your whole foot is exposed. You have that adjustability with those 3 straps. And again, the sandal is gently rocking you forward.
Oh my gosh. I love what you said about the coverage. This is just a really fancy.
But I'm not doing well with the winter. This one really took me out, Melissa. And one of the colors is Keep Calm. And I need that in my life to remind myself.
These jeans are from Peace Love World here at QVC. They're the full-length, wide-leg denim pants. I know they come in a lighter wash and a dark wash, $79.98. Sea wash and light wash? And dark. Sea wash and light and dark wash. I'll get it eventually, Bill. Regular and petite inseams. I just say light and dark just to keep it easy. But aren't these fabulous? Guys, these are so comfortable, great stretch, and from a brand that really just nails it.
You put these on, you'll be a little bit, it's a way to elevate your look, whether you're stepping out or whether you're just going down to the grocery store to get the food for the week or whatever it might be. It is a really easy style to wear, and you can keep these by the door and slip them on and away you go.
That's very true, you can.
Yeah.
I like how it goes up high on the foot. Again, we talked about that in a previous shoe.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Up. Yeah,
I love them. They're our slipper for spring, so let's switch into a spring slipper. But what do Pam and I wear now? Final presentation of our Vince Camuto Today's Special Value. You just went ahead and showed my favorite part, Pam.
This part.
So me too. They have hook and loop instead of a true buckle. Now you can still adjust that buckle, and when you get the perfect fit, you can leave it there. But the idea really is adjust it with the hook and loop, and now you're not like having everybody wait for mom because you're playing with the buckle, and it doesn't pinch you up here. It just attaches at that lower part of the ankle instead. Love the beautiful toe open. There's some gorgeous choices. But Pam, this is what I think we're all impressed with. Vince Camuto, big fashion brand. That should have had these shoes close to 100 right then and there. But these are premium materials. So we're going to shop for leathers and suedes and genuine raffia. We work on our Today's Special Values months ahead of time.
1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3.
Mine looks a little different. 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3. I'll hang out with the girls because I just wore a Vince Camuto heel for Lori Goldstein's show. I needed a pink shoe to go with my pink top. I bought that shoe last year.
Yep.
And I'm not a fortune teller, but I think I'll wear that shoe again next year.
I believe it.
Possibly even the next year, because the best thing about shoes is usually at our age, our feet stop growing. So even if our waist is growing, you know what I mean by that, our shoes will always fit no matter what. So when you splurge on a brand like Vince Camuto, you have these styles for years. This is every little spring, summer soiree, big party, or little quiet couples dinner, and you are beautiful and happy.
Yeah, your feet are happy. I think something that our design team does so well is finds that sweet spot where you could wear this casually. I've got jeans on, like you've got jeans and a t-shirt.
Yeah.
You could wear this on a very casual kind of day, but if you want to dress this up last night to kick it off at midnight, I had a dress on that I would wear to like a fancy party. You could really elevate it and feel very special in it. So this is that one shoe that you can get
get right at the beginning of the season and be ready for the whole season to go, no matter where you're going. On the week, during the week, or on the weekend, when you're going to work, you want to feel a little bit more refined, this shoe will do it. When you want to make it a little edgy, like Pam's got the black, you can make it edgy with a moto jacket, or just make it sweet with a little floral pretty dress.
They're all so good. I have to put on the red, and we have to go over colors. I mean, I had to, right? I had to put that salsa red on. And you saw how easy that was. I was so prepared to come in and sit down and do the buckle. I also think most ankle straps, they go up here and they cut your leg off and the slingback doesn't fit. This is perfection. The slingback stays. We're in and out. Honey, I'm home. Honey, I'm going back out. So which color do you want? This right here is natural milk tea. It's been a big hit tonight in PM Style. It goes with absolutely anything and everything.
Classic neutral.
Botus print to the plain white t-shirt.
Right.
This is salsa red, and that's our suede option.
Yep, suede mixed with leather trim, so you really get a little mixed media.
It's spicy salsa.
Yeah.
I don't know if anybody's ever read to their children or their grandkids, Dragon Loves Tacos.
I love that one.
But this is the spicy salsa, right? Look at Jamie in this beautiful blue skyway. And I love how you did the skyway with the natural color on the wedge.
On the wedge, yep.
And then you have two on as well.
I did. I just ran over and got it.
Thank you. This one right here is our fancier Egyptian gold. And then this one right here is our darker neutral, which we refer to as mocha. There's a matching t-shirt that I have on tonight.
Love that.
From Denim Company that'll be in mocha.
Love these for darker skin tones, too, if you want that seamless look.
Pam, you're in black with your big deal coming up from Joan Rivers. And Ellen is in that mocha as well. Medium and wide widths, whole and half sizes. I mean, again, when I say good luck finding that, I don't mean to be mean. But I'm just saying, like,
shoe of whatever sport they were playing and put on something to recover. But the truth is we can all benefit from this. So whether, like you said, you're taking the little walks and you're feeling these aches and pains, or perhaps you wore the wrong shoe, or maybe you just are doing a lot of, moving around, you want to really be able to recover. And part of that is taking that VioMotion technology that you know and love from this brand and really upping the ante by giving you this dual density designed to really balance and support and stabilize you while you have that ultra cushion effect, as well as the massage that you feel when you slip these on, Amy. So you have that little iso mapping under your foot that looks like a texture that's going to massage the foot as you move and really helps to reduce that fatigue. So it just feels wonderful. And
I can show everybody
a bonus
that,
is it's sporty, it's cute, it's fun.
Your jeans first, but the shoes, because your jeans are coming up too. So we've got Vionic in the show tonight, PM Style. And Ellen, these are $40 when they should be $100.
They're so comfortable.
Oh, and Ellen said they are so comfortable. More than 50% off. Now, let me see your color. You are in a gray. These are unisex, by the way. We do sizes 5 through 14, so you can get them for men or for women, boys or for girls, as long as they fit. 3,000 orders already placed today. Yours is slate gray. I'm in Fruit Punch. Alan, that's why I kept calling Lori's shirt Fruit Punch, because these are Fruit Punch. Her shirt was Berry Punch. Same taste, different flavor, right? So this is Fruit Punch, and we can do medium widths here, 5 through 14, whole sizes only.
So, look, it's really important. So we spoke about that, I think, was with the upbring with the sneaker. But when you're wearing open footwear styles, particularly in sandals or slide styles or clog styles, the higher up that upper sits on the foot, the more secure it's going to be on the foot. So it just means you're not going to be stepping out of it when you go through that walking motion. So, again, a really nice...
I love it. And look how we're taking that. This is going over carpet. It's going over. Are you doing
No, because I tried to stop it and I tried to get up at the same time. I don't know why. I was trying to be like, look how cool.
And it's going to come to an easy stop for you. And there we have Rosina. She is going on